To replace a capacitor, we will first need to gain access to it. Start by removing the shroud screws around the perimeter of the shroud. Carefully lift the shroud upward until it is clear of the AC and is now out of the way. Next, locate the steel capacitor housing. You'll need an extension to remove the screws at the bottom and provide access to the screws securing the door. Remove the screws that secure the door. Open the door using the utmost caution, making sure not to touch the top of the capacitor. Doing so can discharge the capacitor into whatever it contacts, causing severe bodily injury. Locate the steel band securing the capacitor within the housing and remove the 2 screws, one on each side. Make a note of the wire locations on top of the capacitor. Using a pair of insulated pliers, remove the female spades of each of the wires from atop the capacitor. Next, use an insulated screwdriver to create a short between the common terminal and each of the other 3: outer fan, inner fan, and compressor. With the new capacitor ready, attach the wires to the correct respective terminals and return the capacitor to the housing. Using the 2 screws, affix the capacitor to the housing using the steel retention band. Reinstall the housing door using 3 perimeter screws. Then secure the housing within the air conditioner to the floor hole mounting locations. Place the shroud back on the air conditioner, making sure that it fits comfortably and all the screw holes align. Return the shroud screw holes to the perimeter of the shroud. Check to make sure the shroud is secure and none of the corners feel loose.